let General Malik respond to this, that while the army might be acting against their officers, as Ajay Shukla is saying, within 3 months these officers might be cashiered, but the civilian world, the world outside never gets to find out. So the images, the word isn't going out that the army is acting because nobody knows about it. The only word that goes out is that so many officers have been caught accepting cash.
Look, it has impact on either side. Firstly, let me assure you one thing, that anybody who is cashiered or dismissed or is given severe punishment, well, it is the job of the army to promulgate all these things within the army. It was done earlier days in terms of army orders, and in the army orders we published whoever was given serious punishment within the army. Now, as far as the impact outside is concerned, yes, the media would like to know it, and there is a need for us to have greater transparency. The only thing is that some people are also scared that when cumulative effect is indicated to the adversaries, then they might use it in a different manner. So there are some people who still feel that such transparency in numbers might convey a wrong impression to the adversary. That is probably the reason why they are not giving. But I think we have to realize that today, in the days of greater transparency, there is no harm in giving these names or letting people know what all action has been taken.
You know, there's another point I'd like to make. Taking action against just these officers who weave unmasked, that's not enough. That's treating the symptom. You have to treat the disease. What about their senior officers? What about their supervisors? What were they doing? What was the military intelligence unit doing in that area? Why didn't the seniors come to know? Or are the seniors also a hand in glove with these people? The army has to carry out a wider inquiry.
Absolutely, because Colonel Shukla, this is important. That what about the system of checks and balances? Now, fake coolers are being bought, fake TVs are being bought, bills are being given for products that are not being bought. There has to be some maintenance of inventory. Somewhere these products should be shown as having been bought and delivered. That's not happening. So clearly not just are these officers corrupt, but everyone up the line whose job it is to be checking and monitoring and supervising doesn't seem to be doing his job either.
No, I don't think that's correct at all. There are many ways of being corrupt, and somebody, an individual who is so inclined, will find a way of making money. If there's a bad apple, if there are 10 bad apples, those 10 bad apples will find a way past all the checks and balances that you put in place. But I think what is important